Alrighty, welcome back. We are going to go through month 4 on this new YouTube channel. It is my 3rd YouTube channel, and unfortunately, I do have an announcement about this channel. Let's go ahead and just jump into it real quick. Let's hit the analytics. Just for funsies, let's hit March. Just to see March, 49 views, 5 watch time hours. Okay, how did April compare? We're talking April, not too much difference. All right, pretty stagnant. All right, let's go ahead and just look at 2025, because this is when I started the channel. We are not really seeing any growth. We had a nice little spike here the first month, which I kind of think YouTube pushes your content out in the beginning a little bit to give you a chance. And I think that was my chance and it just didn't do well enough. So this is how things are looking. I've been doing 2 videos a week in April. So altogether it was 8 videos. I tried this as like a kind of a last ditch effort to like, can we get a spike? And we really didn't. So that's such a bummer. Let's go ahead and dive into the content for April. That is what we were talking about. I'm only doing long form on this channel. There is no shorts. Shorts could help, but I just don't have the time, capability, or capacity to take on more things right now. I'm trying to run 3 channels and it's already too much. Okay, so, I don't need this one. Engaged views. Hide that. Oop, go away. So watch time hours, 4.7 hours, average percentage viewed, 46.4. So people are watching almost half the video, which is great. I will also say the average view duration is great. 6 minutes, that's wonderful. Impressions are low. The click-through rate is low, which is equaling low views. I need more. Watch time hours, like I'm getting these little spikes when the videos come out, probably same with views. It's just not working. Let's go ahead and look at the content. We'll look at the actual videos. So like views, 13 views. It's just not there. This channel is just, it's not happening. That's the January video. It's not even from this month. This month, my videos, they're just not getting it. This one got 7 views. This one got 4. I can't get this channel to take off. I just simply can't. It's just killing me. Like down here, okay, great. But those might have been my views, for crying out loud. These videos take a lot of time. Not a ton of time to edit. Like it's fast, but like they're big files to manage. And like I link all the products and I don't know what to do here. It's clearly not working. I thought making a very niche, like focused, specific channel like this would work. That's why I tried it. I didn't want to do this forever if it didn't work. I told myself like I'm going to have a limit on it because I've done channels that take forever to grow. I've got 2 of them. You're on one of them right now. Okay. Amanda's numbers is not growing. Then Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life, very slow growth. I can't have 3 channels with slow growth. I needed something to explode or it's just not going to happen. And I know some people could look at that and say like, you have to just let it sit there and be patient and keep working and be consistent. I've been consistent. I've been very consistent on YouTube overall. So I'm going to drop this channel. Baby registry reviews, it's going to still exist. I'm just not going to publish on it. I'm not going to delete them. I'm not going to move them or anything like that. They're just going to exist on this channel. And if one day they take off, I will happily start uploading again on this channel. It's probably just going to die off and they won't get any views and that's okay. They'll be there if I ever want to come back. I really was excited about this channel, but I have some things going on in my personal life. We are moving soon and I'm working on getting a part-time job, kind of trying to set that up and see if that can happen. So I don't have the time. I just don't have the time to run 3 channels. I'm still making videos, but I need to put them into the other channel. I need that channel to grow versus a little bit of growth in 2 places. I need maybe the potential for more growth in 1 channel. I'm not decreasing the work by too much, but I need the efforts to work together. I need to do, say, 4 videos of baby registry review, 4 videos of Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life, but within that Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life channel. This channel is going to go away. You will not probably see updates on it, maybe unless something crazy happens. But I'm going to go back down to running 2 channels. This channel that you're currently watching, Amanda's Numbers, as well as Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life. And some other things that I definitely have been working on is like letting go a little bit. Like I mowed the grass today. My hair is dirty. I'm wearing casual clothes. I don't have time for the fancy edits. I don't have time to look polished and perfect for my videos. I just want to spit out my mom tips that I have to share. Okay. I just want to get my message to the people and not worry about all the things all the time. Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life YouTube channel, Amanda's Numbers. I still am keeping this channel. I know I probably should quit. Nobody's here watching these videos. But I just really want to document my journey. So I'm going to keep it going. And then I also have my blog, Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life has a website where I post articles as well. And that's my original go on publishing content was with the blog. I never wanted to do video. Now I'm here doing video. Trying my best on all of these things, and honestly, I'm struggling. I'm floundering. I'm not really finding success, and I got to change things up. So that's what I'm doing. So baby registry reviews is going away, and it's going to go back into mom, wife, and everyday life. I don't even know what to show you here. I don't feel like these thumbnails are terrible. I don't feel like these titles are terrible. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. If anyone has any advice, please share it. Like I said, this is ending. April is the end of this channel for right now. Going into May, I'm going to focus my attention on my other channel. So where I'm currently at, 2 subscribers and 46 public watch time hours. Okay, and this is after 4 months. I'm not saying this is bad for 4 months necessarily, but it's bad for me at 4 months. I am not a new YouTuber. If this was my first ever channel, I would live through this and keep going, but it's not. I've been on YouTube now for 2 years. So I expected more, and I needed better out of this channel if I was going to do it as an individual channel. So look for baby registry reviews back on Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life. And I really, really hope May, June, July, those Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life stats can go up. That is my desire. So stay tuned for that, and hopefully we can see some growth.